Don't you hate it when you really want that perfect winged eyeliner and you just can't get it? Watch me. I have practiced over and over and over again and again and messed up my looks because I wanted to achieve that perfect winged eyeliner. You know, sometimes just a thin line or a thick line. However, I just can't seem to do it right. Watch me. The perfect wing liner does not exist for my eyes. And then I found this. This is the iMethod eyeliner, winged eyeliner stamps. And it comes in two. Why does it come in two? One for each eye. It comes with the stamps, comes with the eyeliner too. And this is a waterproof eyeliner. The instructions look very simple and the reviews on Amazon looked really great too. So of course I had to try it. Let's look at it. Opening one side, and this is for the right eye. This is my right side. This is how the stamp looks like. Isn't it so perfect? And then this is the eyeliner side, and this is a felt tip pen, really good to work with. Should I try it? I'm so afraid. The tricky part is to get both of them exactly at the same point of your eyes. So let's go ahead and try it. Which way do I want it? This way. Okay, I need a mirror for this one, you guys. I hope I can still be seen. I stamped it. Look how pretty! I'm making myself go crazy here. Let me not laugh too hard because I don't want to mess up my wing. Now that we have the first one in place, just look at its position. You all know how to fill that in, so I'm not going to go over that. But getting the positioning right? It's almost in that eye wrinkle of mine. Let's do the other side. Same thing on the other side. This is how the other side looks like. Oh my God, why is this so scary? The other trick I have up my sleeve is just go for it. Just do it. Don't be afraid, like in life. Okay, with that philosophical lesson, Gurmeet. Okay. You see what I'm talking about? I always get a higher, longer line on this side and a flatter, shorter line on this side. I don't know why. It will take practice. I know that. But here are the two looks that you can achieve with it. Maybe just for social media, I'll say, oh, I wanted to show you two different looks. See, a shorter wing and a longer wing. Special occasion, everyday occasion. Because every day is an occasion. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to fix it. There. Okay. Now let me closely observe what I did on the left side and then what am I doing on the right side. Where is my right one? Here is the right one. How do I know? It says right there. Come on. Right there. It says R. I think I got it. The rest I can fix with the eyeliner.
For all of you girls out there who can achieve a winged eyeliner with so much ease, kudos to you guys. This has been a challenge of mine for years, and I can never make both my eyes look the same way. But this gimmicky product is making it fun.
Here is how it looks filled up, not filled up side. Of course, what you can do is just like I did, just fill up a tiny bit and you don't have to get the entire eye, or you could get the entire eye and go for that dramatic look. Quick call out. Sometimes you end up with a slight gap right there. I would say go in with your dry gel eyeliner and fix that gap so that it looks like a long continuous line rather than a broken zigzaggy line. Here is my quick and messy demo for the iMethod winged eyeliner in a stamp version. How about if I fill in the other side with a different color?
These days, this has become my go to technique instead of putting eyeshadow and blending and spending all that time with the various palettes. I just take a colored eyeliner and I line my eyes. The trouble with some of these lighter colors is it does tend to make your eye look a little bit smaller. So just make sure you give it a nice darker outline.
And with that giggles, I use the Jolt shade from the Urban Decay's 24 by 7 Eye Glide eyeliner. So I kind of like this look. I just stamped the wing and then did the line with this liner and then cleaned it up as much as I wanted to with my winged eyeliner side. So here you have it. Two different looks again. With the winged eyeliner, you can use any color eyeliner, play with it. And that was my quick demo for two different looks in real time and with my shaky hands. This iMethod winged eyeliner stamp is really good, you guys. Just go with it, practice, play, one side, the other side. Practice makes perfect. Do you think I can perfect this someday? Maybe. And maybe then I won't need the stamps. However, until then, I'm going to use the stamp for getting a perfect, almost perfect winged eyeliner look. Thank you for watching.